what does ESG actually mean? What do the letters stand for? E, S, and G. E stands for? Social and governance. Okay. There are many standards that are now being established, but more often than not, we still do not measure what truly matters when we talk about ESG. The global demand for ESG is growing, and so the regulatory pressure is building up. How do environmental, social, and governance factors affect my financial value? ESG has a significant positive impact on fundamental business issues. Okay? A significant positive impact. And you see corporate reputation can be enhanced, risk can be reduced, opportunities can be better managed, and then you have some cultural value. It's a pure business topic. Okay? And this is my major takeaway for you. ESG oftentimes is seen as a soft spot of the firm. It's not. It's pure business, pure strategy, pure risk management.